Write down. So today we will be starting trigonometric functions. Shall I start? Write it down. Trigonometric equations or trigonometric functions first. Trigonometric functions. Write it down. Trigonometric functions. Right? So why the name is trigonometry? What is the meaning of this word trigonometry? If you divide now, we can divide this into three parts. This is meaning of tree is 3, right? Gono means either side or angle. Correct. Metry means measurement. Correct. If you want to measure any 3-side geometry, 3-side right angle geometry. So let it be, this is a right angle geometry. A, B, C, right angle it should be. Let it be, this angle is theta. So this particular AB side we will say perpendicular, BC side is base, and this is hypotenuse. So one by one I will be writing. What is sine of theta? Sine theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Second, what is cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta, P by B, right? Then cosecant theta, hypotenuse by P, or I can write 1 by sine theta, correct? Similarly, we can write secant theta and cot theta. These are nothing but direction cosine. What is the name of this? Direction ratios, not cosine. Direction ratios. So next is secant theta. It is 1 by cos theta. And then last one is cot theta. What is cot theta? 1 by tan theta. Correct? Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Right? So all these are nothing but direction ratio we called it. So first this you should know. What is the direction ratio? So this 7 quantity you should know how to we can correlate. Any one of the quantity will be given to you, other we have to calculate it, right? This is first information you should know. Second information that you should know is some trigonometric identities we have, right? Trigonometric identity. What is this trigonometric identity? So first one is sine square theta plus cos square theta will be nothing but 1. Second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And the last one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Do you know all these three trigonometric identities? So this you should know, this you should know. Based on this, so as of now what I taught you, just trigonometric functions, right? In that how many trigonometric ratios we have? So 6 ratios we have. Like in inverse we had no, one of the inverse will be given to you, you can calculate other inverse, right? Same way one of the trigonometric identities will be given to you and you can calculate other trigonometric identities, right? Trigonometric ratios, not identity. Should I move to the next slide? After that, sine scheme you should know. What is this sine scheme? If I will divide this plane, I can divide this plane into 4 equal quadrant, right? We called it first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third, and this is fourth quadrant, right? So here theta belongs to between 0 to 90 degree. Yes or no? Here theta will belongs to between 90 to 180 degree, and here theta should belongs to between 180 to 270, and here 270 to 360. Yes or no? Now, if any trigonometric ratios is in the first quadrant, that is positive, right? So, what I will be writing, all trigonometric ratios, in short I will write TR, trigonometric ratios are positive, be it sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, all will be positive. In the second quadrant, what we can write, sine and reverse of that, cosine will be positive. What about other trigonometric ratios? Other trigonometric ratios will be negative. What are other trigonometric ratios? Cos, secant, cot, tan. Similarly, here you tell me in the third quadrant, tan and cot will be positive, right? And other trigonometric ratios will be negative. Correct? Similarly, here you tell me cos and secant will be positive. What about other trigonometric ratios? It will be negative. Correct? I hope you know this thing. Now, one more thing I will be writing, then we will solve some more numericals on this. So, as of now I taught you that 6 trigonometric ratios are there. If right angle triangle is there, how we can correlate that? That is the first information I taught you. Second, some identities are there. Third, some sign schemes are there. If angle is more than 90 degree, you should be able to say that whether it is positive or negative, right? Now, next step I will be telling you, if angle is more than 90, how to solve. So, what I will be writing here, you see very properly, sine, let it be here, I will be writing n into 180 degree plus minus theta. What is this n value? N is nothing but positive integer, meaning is 1 into 180, 2 into 180, 3 into 180. So, any integral multiple of 180 if you have, answer will be sine. If it is 180, no, sine will remain sine theta, plus or minus, based on this sine scheme you will be deciding plus or minus. Based on the angle, which quadrant it is. If it is first and second, positive. If it is third and fourth, for sine, negative. What is the best part of this? Best part of this is, if you have here sine, here it will remain sine. If it is cos, it will remain cos. If it is tan, it will remain tan. Correct? So, always try to make it 180 degree. Similarly, second one I will be writing, let it be cos n into 180 degree plus minus theta. What will be the answer? Plus minus cos theta. So, if 180 is there, now you should be happy. Trigonometry function is not going to change. Same function will be there. Sine will be sine, cos will be cos, tan will be tan. Write it down. If angle is like this, integral multiple of 180 plus minus theta. Write it down. Integral multiple of 180 plus minus theta, then trigonometric functions will not change. Trigonometric functions will not change. Right? If angle is integral multiple of 180 plus minus theta, then trigonometric functions will not change. Trigonometric functions will not change. Similarly, same thing about tan, cot and all, right? But it is not sure that every time we will be able to write 180 plus minus theta. Definitely this theta will be acute angle. Huh? This theta will be acute angle. Now, I will be solving some numericals based on that. So, this sign scheme you should know, this two combination you should know, then you will be able to tell the answer of all this, any angle if I will be asking. Shall I move to the next? Now, we will try to solve some numericals based on these two. Suppose if I will ask you what is the value of sine 120 degree, will you be able to tell me? First thing, do you know that table in 10th class you might have studied 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. That table, all the trigonometric ratios value you should know, right? Based on that, this theta will be nothing but, these thetas are nothing but, this theta will be 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree or 90 degree. This type of angle it will be. From that table you will be able to write. Let me solve one numericals. I will try to combine all the concept, whatever I taught you just now. Questions will be like this: find the value of, Let it be first one, sine 120 degree. Sine 120 degree. How to solve sine 120 degree? So just try to think that is it there in the table? No. In the table what are the informations you will get? Either 0, 30, 45, 60 or maximum 90. This much only you have. Meaning is you have to solve some other method, right? So which method I told you? If you don't want to change the functions, then you write in terms of 180. So what I should write here? Sine 180 degree minus 60 degree. Can I write like this? So 180 into 60, yes, correct. So you just think that which angle, all those angles if I subtract from 180. So then I will be thinking since it is 180, so sine will remain sine 60 degree it will be plus or minus. Which law? Last time here I wrote no, integral multiple of 180. Now plus or minus, how to decide? So 120 degree, 120 will be where? Here? Because here theta should be 90 to 180 degree. Yes, 120 is in between that, definitely not in the first quadrant. So what I will be writing, since it is in the second quadrant, sine is positive in the second, so I am writing like this. So what is the final answer? Root 3 by. Understood? Since the sine in the second quadrant is positive, so it will remain positive, right? Second question you solve. Let it be, I am writing cos 150 degree. Tell me how much value it will be? 180 minus 30, right? So what I will be writing? Cos 180 degree minus 30 degree. Make sure this angle should be from the table itself. So this will be plus minus cos 30 degree. Yes or no? Why cos? Because 180 is there. If 180 is there, you should be happy. But minus cos 30 degree I will be writing. Minus root 3 by 2 it will be. Am I right? When to take plus, when to take minus? Is there any confusion? No? Next, you write one more question. Third one I am writing here. Let it be 10 300 degree I am writing. Now you tell me. 10 300 degree is there. What I should write? Can I write 10 180? If you write 180, no, this angle will be 120, right? But this is not an acute angle. Then we can think that can we convert 120 also, we know how to convert, right? So what you can write? 10, here I can write 180 degree, and this you can write 180 degree minus of how much? 60? Minus of 60 degree. This can be written. Now this angle is acute. Okay, I can write like this then. 10, 2 into 180 degree. That's why I wrote integral multiple minus 60. So how much it is? Since 180 is there, so 10 will remain 10. 10 of 60 degree plus or minus? As of now I don't know. Then I will be thinking 300 degree in which quadrant it will be? Here it is 182, 270, correct? Definitely in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant 10 is negative. Yes or no? In fourth quadrant 10 is negative. So minus of root 3. I hope you are getting. Minus of root 3. Is there any confusion? Understood? If you have like any particular angle, if you have, you will be able to give the answer. How? Using this 180 plus minus theta, if you do, that is the answer. Should I move to the next? Done? Write down next. Last question we will solve and then we will move to the further topic. Write down. Next, you write cosecant 5 pi by 4. All of you try to solve cosecant 5 pi by 4. Cosec 5 pi by 4. What is the meaning of pi? 180. Yes or no? Either you convert it into degree or you just treat it pi as 180 degree. So what I should write? Pi plus or pi minus? Plus, right? Because 5 by 4 is there. So this if I will be writing, I can write like this. Cosecant pi plus pi by 4. 4 pi plus 1, 5, right? This 5 is more than 4, means plus sign will be there. In which quadrant it is? Pi. Pi means 180 degree. This is pi, right? Plus theta, third quadrant, right? Third quadrant cosecant is negative, pi by 4 it will be. So what is the answer? cosecant, not cos, cosecant pi by 4. What is cosecant pi by 4? Root 2. I hope you are getting root 2. Is it clear, understood? So, if 180 is there, very easily you can do, but if 90 is there, no, another different rules are there. So, mostly first you try to convert it into 180, if possible go ahead, if not then just see how to solve. Let it be sin 120 is there. Suppose some student will apply their brain and they will be writing like this, 90 degree plus 30 also I can substitute, right? Yes or no? 180 can be written as 120 can be written as 180 minus 60 or 90 plus 30 also, right? But it is not 180 degree, right? So, if you have even odd number of 90, 1 into 90, 3 into 90, because 2 into 90 is 180 only. So, if you have odd into 90, meaning is like this, sin n into, or like this I will be writing 2n plus 1 into 90 degree plus minus theta. Just see what is the meaning of that. What does this tell? N is any integral, let it be. If I am multiplying by 2, I will get even integrals. If you add plus 1, it will be odd integrals. Yes, that is what we need. So, whenever you want odd, no, this is the way we will be converting in odd. 2n plus 1 is the odd number. Now, sin 2n plus 1 into 90 degree plus minus theta. So, what will be the answer? Answer will be plus minus cos theta I will be writing. This is the difference. Sin will convert into their co-functions, that is cos. Cos will convert into sin, right. So, little bit confusion is there if 90 is there. So, better you try to convert into 180, sin will remain sin, cos will remain cos, tan will remain tan, correct. But if it is 90 degree, then sin will be cos, cos will be sin, tan will be cot, cot will be tan, right. They are co-functions, it will change into co-functions. Same thing you apply here. If I will apply, what I will get? Just say sin 90 plus 30 cos 30. Should I write like this? Cos 30 degree, plus or minus, in which quadrant it is? Sin 120 is in the second quadrant, right? 120 is in second. So, sin is positive in that plus. What is sin 30 degree? Root 3 by 2. What you got last time? Same thing, root 3 by 2. So, final answer will be same, only just method is different. Can you correlate that, or are you getting confused? First method only you keep in mind, 180 plus minus. If it comes 90, then you have to remember that sin will convert into cos, cos will convert into sin, tan will be cot, cot will be tan, secant will be cosecant, cosecant will be secant, right. These are called co-functions. I hope you are able to correlate that. Fine. Now, next you write down. So, like last class I was discussing in the inverse trigonometric, sin minus theta will be how much? Minus sin theta, right? And cos minus theta will be how much? Cos theta. Do you remember in the inverse I used to write pi minus cos inverse x. Why? Because this plus it comes, right? But tan minus theta will be what? Minus tan theta. Similarly, cosecant minus theta will be how much? Minus cosecant theta, and cot minus theta will be minus cot theta. Yes or no? Right? Cosecant cot, and then secant minus theta will be secant theta. Note it down. So, in this two it will be positive, rest will be negative. If negative is there, we can take that negative common. Come here, why you are sitting there? Come, take one bench and chair is there. Right, already we discuss all these things. Now, here some formulas I will be writing. Already we discuss all those formula in the inverse also, just I am revising those things. So, here I will be writing, you also write with me, sin, let it be a plus b is there. What will be the answer? Sin a cos b plus cos A sin B. Can I write like this? Do you know? Same thing like cos inverse A plus cos inverse B. Do you remember? Cos inverse x root under 1 minus, and if minus is there, minus will come. If plus is there, plus, minus is there, minus. Second, who will tell me cos A plus B formula? Tell me cos A plus B. Cos will be cos A cos B, right? So, the answer of this will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If minus is there, then plus here. Yes or no? Next, tan A plus B I want. Just tell me tan A plus tan B. Divide by 1 minus tan A tan B. Yes or no? And if minus will be here, if here minus, then here minus, and here plus. So, just this three formula you remember. This is called compound angle, more than one angle, right? A plus B. If I will ask you find the value of, let it be I want to calculate sin 15 degree. Can you calculate this value sin 15 degree? As of now from the table we can't calculate, right? Why? Because in the table we have 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now you have 15 degree, right? So from the table we can't calculate. Then I will be thinking, do we have any formula of summation of these two or difference of these two? Yes, if you subtract 45 minus 30 you will get 15. Yes or no? So sin 15 degree how you will get? Sin of 45 degree minus 30 degree. Correct? Now which formula I should apply? Sin A minus B. No, sin A minus B. What is the formula of sin A minus B? Sin A cos B. Correct? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Done? Put the value 1 by root 2. This is root 3, sorry, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, no? 1 by root 2, and this is root 3 by 2 minus, this is 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. So, this is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This is sin 15 degree values. I hope you are getting. Is there any confusion? Right? This is called compound angle, addition of 2, subtraction of 2 of the angle. In sin also we have, in cos also we have, in tan also we have. Done? Yes, no? Should I move to the next? Am I fast? Okay, right? Manageable, no? In 10 days we have to finish rest of the syllabus. Okay, fine. Now, after that you write down. Some important formula I am writing, very important. In your exam, if anything will come, it should come from here only. Tell me sin 2 theta value. How to do? As of now, do you know sin 2 theta? We don't have. But what we can do that, this is, I can write like this, sin of theta plus theta. Let it be, this is A, this is B. Can I apply compound angle formula? What is that? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So, I am writing like this, sin A cos B, but B is also A, plus cos A sin B. Can I write like this? Both A and B is theta, right? So, what you will get all together? Okay, this is nothing but 2 sin theta into cos theta. Am I right? Yeah, this is the formula, sin 2 theta. So, 2 sin theta into cos theta. From where? From here only. Sometimes we will be writing this in terms of 10. You tell me how to convert this in terms of 10. So, let it be here I am dividing 1 cos, same cos I am multiplying here. I am dividing and multiplying by 1 cos. So, that this will become 10. And this is 1 upon cos square. What you can write if you will take in the denominator? Secant square. So, this you can write like this, 2 tan theta, secant is 1 plus tan square theta. I hope you are getting. So, this you have to remember 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sine of, whenever multiple of the angles you have, directly you can use this formula. Same formula we use in case of, if you remember, inverse. 2 sin inverse is nothing but tan inverse, something like that it is, right, 2x upon 1 plus x square. What if you have just 2 times here, right? If you have only theta, then what you can write? Half of that, whatever is there, half of that, 2 sin. Here I will be writing theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 is equal to, this side what you can write, 2 tan theta by 2. 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. We call it sub multiple angle, like half of that, sub. So, it is called multiple angle, it is called sub multiple angle. I hope you remember these formulas. Same way I will be writing cos 2 theta, try to write cos 2 theta formula. Should I move to the next? So, this bracket one is important, this you remember, this calculation you can leave it, no need, not needed. Similarly, cos 2 theta you will be writing, what will be the answer? Cos 2 theta, theta plus theta, right? Apply the formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So, theta A and B is theta theta, right? So, what you will get? Cos square theta minus sin square theta, yes or no? So, now I will be writing cos 2 theta, just see how to write cos 2 theta, cos of 2 theta. So, this I can write, this is nothing but cos theta plus theta. What is this? Cos A cos B, can I write like cos square theta minus sin square theta. If I want to convert in terms of only sine, no, yes, you can write cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. So, what you will get here? From here I can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta. If I want, I can convert this in terms of only cos. So, let it be cos square theta this side, 1 minus cos square theta. How much you will get? Minus minus plus. So, it is 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? Now, suppose I want to convert this in terms of tan. How? Cos square theta is there minus sin square theta is there. I will be dividing by cos square theta. Same cos square theta I will multiply. If you separate 1 minus tan square theta, you can write. Just see, cos cos gets cancelled, and 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square theta. So, meaning is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. In the exam, they can ask you any one of the questions. So, what you will be remembering? You just remember this base one. This you remember, this you remember, this you remember, this you remember. So, if I will conclude like this, cos of 2 theta will be nothing but cos square theta minus sin square theta. That is the first. Second, 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So, whichever formula you want, you can use it according to the situation in the questions. Is it clear? So, as of now I wrote sin 2 theta in terms of sin cos in terms of tan. I wrote cos 2 theta in terms of sin cos, only sin tan. Same way I will be writing last one, tan 2 theta. How to write tan 2 theta? That can be written in only in tan, right? Try to write tan 2 theta. All this you might have studied somewhere. You might forget, but you know little bit about that, right? Just I am trying to revise as much as possible because it is very big chapter. Normally when we teach, it will go till 10 days, 15 days also, one chapter. So, it is very, very big. In 1.5 hours, we are just trying to revise that as much as possible, so that at least something will be there in your mind. When you go for exam, it might come. Should I write the tan 2 theta? What is the formula of tan 2 theta? 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, if you remember. Apply tan A plus B formula. Done. Tan 2 theta, I am writing here tan 2 theta. What it will be? Tan theta plus theta. So, which formula I should write? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So, this is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Do not get confused with sin 2 theta. What was the sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta was 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Correct? Sin 2 theta minus will come and sin 2 theta plus will be in the denominator. Tan 2 theta minus will be there in the denominator. I hope you are getting. Cos 2 theta, what we wrote? Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So, from here sometimes no, 2 cos square theta will be written as 1 will come this side, 1 plus cos 2 theta, very famous question. Similarly, 2 sin square theta, do you know what it will be? 1 minus cos 2 theta. This also you remember from cos 2 theta formula. If you have 1 plus cos, if you have 1 plus cos 2 theta, then this is 2 cos square. If you have 1 minus 2 sin square. So, if plus is there, cos, if minus is there, sin square 2 sin square theta. From where? From cos 2 theta only I am writing, right. So, directly many times we will be using this informations also. Now, we will solve some numericals. KCET PYQ we will be solving. KCET PYQ we will be solving. Question number 2nd, all of you try to solve. Question number 2nd, page number 3.4. Page number 3.4, question number 2nd. Do it. Page number 3.4, question number 2nd. Question number 2nd, I am solving here. The value of, here you have sin square 85 degree minus, not sin square, this we can't do as of now, let it be. Third one you solve. Third one we will try to solve. Sin square, here you have 17.5 degree plus cos, not cos, sin square plus sin square 72.5 degree. They are asking us to write what is the answer. Sin square is there plus sin square is there. In terms of cos they are asking, right? Tan square, cos square, sin square. Which option will be the answer? So, sin square, then you will be thinking that do we have any identity in terms of sin? Yes, we have. Which identity we have? Which one? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? But it is sin square is there, cos square is not there. Then you will think that can we convert? Yes, we can convert it. How? So, here I will be writing, let it be sin square 17.5 degree plus this, if I want, you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to, or can I write like this, just say sin 90 degree minus, how much I should subtract? 72, no, 70, I want that much. So 90 minus 5, how much I should subtract? Just see. 90, how much I should write so that this I will get? This is nothing but 17.5 only. Just see. Subtract, no. From 90, if you subtract 17.5, 0.5 will be there, 9, 2. How much it will be? Point. Then 9 will be there, 2. 17 here, right? Sine is square. Sine is square plus, if we are adding, how much it will be? 90, right? So why not we are getting then 90 minus, are we doing any mistake? Is it 17 or something else? Sine is square 72.5, right? If I subtract how much? 0.5, here 2, right? 70, correct? No, this is. Are you getting? This angle I am trying to write like this. Why? Because this will be sine is square 17.5 degree plus. Now sine 90, so this is nothing but I can write like this, sine 90 degree minus 17.5, the whole square is outside also I can write. Just now I taught you, if it is 90 minus theta, if 90 is there, it will convert into cos, odd multiple 90, no. So this is sine square 17.5 degree. This is how much? Cos square 17.5. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta, how much it should be? 1. So from the option you check, which option is 1? Tan 45 is 1, square of that will be 1. So tan 45 will be the answer. Understood how I solved? And how I got to know that I should subtract it, because summation of these two is 90 degree. So this can be written as 90 minus theta, and that is what we need. Angle should be same. Yes, angle is same. Sine square plus cos square is nothing but 1. Is it clear? Understood? Any confusion here? Right, next you will be writing then. After that you will be solving question number all of you will be solving question number 14, 14, then 16, 16, 14, 16, after that 15, 14, 15, 16 from PYQ. After that you can solve 17 also, 18 also, 19 also, 18, 19, 21, 22, 21, 22, then 25, 26. All these questions we will solve one by one. Do it. Which one I told you first now? 14th one, yes. Tan x is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Angle belongs to, in which quadrant it is belongings? Pi to 3 pi by 2 in first, second, third quadrant it is, right? Third quadrant. But tan x is positive. Yes, tan x should be positive in the third quadrant. Correct. Then the value of cos x by 2 we want. Half angle we want. So if tan is there, we want x by 2. How to calculate x by 2? Tan x is there. Can you convert in terms of cos x? Yes. Yes or no? Now cos x can be written in terms of half of the angle. Yes. Why? Just formula, this formula I taught you, no. This one, just say cos 2 theta you have, theta you want, right. So if I will be writing, this can be written as like this, 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos 2x, cos x, correct. Can you calculate cos x? Yes. tan x is there, from the triangle I can calculate cos x. Once you have cos x, this can be calculated. Yes or no? Try, solve. So, tan x is there, convert it into cos, put here, then you divide everything, you will get x by 2. Make sure this is where tan x is positive in the third quadrant, but cos x is positive or negative? Negative. So, you should take negative value of that. Turn off or on. Do it. Still coming? Huh? Yes, solve. Try. If not, I'll solve. Why some of you are sleeping? Don't sleep. After 10 days you sleep, no problem. Try. First you calculate, tell me the value of cos x. Tan x is there, right? Make a right angle triangle, perpendicular is 3, base is 4, hypotenuse will be 5. Yes or no? So, cos x will be 4 by 5, right? Base by hypotenuse 4 by 5, plus or minus? Minus, because the angle is in third quadrant, in third cos is negative. So, cos x is minus 4 by 5, am I right? Where I should put minus 4 by 5? Here. So, 1 minus 4 by 5, how much you will get? 1 minus 4 by 5. So, just see here, tan x is given to you, right? Tan x is equal to 3 by 4. Immediately you make a right angle triangle, theta. So, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, it is nothing but triplet, right? 3, 4, 5 is triplet, 90 degree. From here cos x I will get. What is the cos x? 4 by 5. Yes or no? But since they are saying that theta belongs to third quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2, yes or no, it will be minus. Now, I will be writing that since we know that 2 cos square x by 2 is nothing but 1 plus cos x. So, 1 minus 4 by 5 I should write, actually plus, because of the minus it will be minus. So, 2 cos square x by 2, how much it should be? 1 minus 4 by 5. If you take LCM, 5 minus 4 by 5, what it will be? 1 by 5 it will be. So, 1 by 10 it will be then, correct? So, if I will divide here, I will get cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 by 10. I want cos x by 2 I want. So, 1 by root 10 it will be. Root 1 is 1. Minus 1. Why minus? Plus minus, but just say theta belongs to this. So, where theta by 2 will belongs? So, theta belongs to 2. So, everywhere you divide by 2, where it will be? 3 pi by 4, right? Pi by 2 means 90 degree, 3 pi by 4 means more than 90 in third quadrant. Yeah, that's what. So, this in which quadrant it belongs? Second quadrant it will belongs, right? Because it is between 180 theta, here 270. I am writing 180 by 2 because theta by 2 is there. So, here 270 by 2. I can say this is nothing but 90 degree This is theta by 2, this is 135 degree. In which quadrant it is? Third quadrant. No, second quadrant. In second, cos is negative, that is why minus 1, because once it is there, plus minus both will be there, right? First class I taught you x square is positive, the x square is equal to something, so x will be plus minus. So minus 1, why? Because angle belongs to that. Next one you do, 15th one all of you try to solve. I want tan x plus y, but you have sin x plus sin y, cos x plus cos y. Tell me how to get tan x plus y. Which formula I should use? Tan x plus y, right? What is tan x plus y formula? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. But we have sin and cos. How to calculate? Sin x is separate, sin y is separate. Solve, solve. Try, if not I will solve. Should I solve? Just see here, very important question, I will solve here. What is given? It is given that sin x plus sin y is equal to half, correct? And the second one is cos x plus cos y. What is the answer? 1. And we want tan x plus y, right? So tan x plus y. One thing is, this formula will be tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, correct? So if I will divide sin by cos, sin by cos, if I will take LCM, so numerator I will get sin x plus y, denominator it will be cos x plus y. Same thing it is, but meaning is directly we can't write, right? Sin x tan x you can't get. Then I will be thinking that okay, another formula of this will be sin x plus y divided by cos x plus y, because tan x is nothing but sin by cos, angle should be same. Now this we will try to get. So what I will do, I will square it. So let it be equation 1, equation 2. So I will do like this, just see, 1 squaring plus adding with second. Square it, what you will get from this side, sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. Can I write like this? I am squaring this side, a square b square 2ab. From here also I am squaring, cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y. Can I write like this? Yes or no? So right side what it will be? 1 by 4 plus 1. This also I should square and add, right? Now sin square plus cos square will be 1. Sin square plus cos square will be 1. Can I write 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2. Here what you will get? Sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. Can I write like this? Is equal to 5 by 4. Yes or no? Can I write like this? Why I am writing? Because this information's value we know. Which information it is? Array cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Which formula? Sin x plus y or minus y? Minus. Yes or no? Minus. Cos x minus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So, this 2 I can take common. So, it will be 1 plus cos. Here I will get x minus y or y minus x, 5 by 4. But still problem is there, because here they are asking us to calculate tan x plus y. We can calculate tan x minus y. Minus we do not want. Here we need minus. How I will get minus? How we will get minus? If minus will be there, then only plus it will be, right? I think there minus is there. A square b square to ab, a square b square to ab. If I subtract cos 2 theta cos sin 2y, put here minus, I think the question mistake is there, just do it. Here if I will put minus, what will happen? Minus will come here, right? Yes or no? So, then minus will be there. We will see how, whether we are getting answer or not. So, what I will be writing? 1 plus 2 I should take common. So, here actually minus I should take, right? Sin x sin y minus cos x cos y will be 5 by 4. I am taking 2 common, right? So, 1 minus, if I will take common, this will be cos x plus y is equal to 5 by 4. So, 1 minus cos x plus y we will get 5 by 8. So, what I will get? This I will take this side. So, 1 minus 5 by 8 is equal to cos x plus y. How much it will be? 3 by 8 is equal to cos x plus y. Now, you calculate tan of that. So, cos theta you have, I want tan theta. Cos theta means this is 3, this is 8. So, this will be how much? This will be 8 square minus 3 square. How much it is? 64 minus 9. How much it should be? 55. Am I right? Is there 55 like that? No. Auto pen. Next question you solve. Meanwhile, I will see that what is the 16th one. All of you try to solve this. I will let me check. Sixteenth one, all of you solve. Meanwhile, I will solve this question. Give me one pen. I will write here. Rough, no, it is. Are you getting that? Question number 16. Pi by 8 means how much angle? 22.5. Can I say 45 by 2? Huh? So, I need 45, theta by 2 I need. Which angle do you know? 45 you know. Which one I should use? Theta by 2 you need. Theta value do you have? So, one formula was there, no, 2 cos square theta by 2 is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta. Do you remember which formula it is? Array cos 2 theta, how I we wrote in terms of only cos? Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? Yes or no? Take 1 this side. So, 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 is equal to cos square theta by 2. Same formula can we apply? Understood what I am trying to explain? Try, if not I will solve. Should I solve? Just see how to solve. The next question I am solving. What is given to you? 10 pi by 8, right? This is nothing but how much it is? No. Okay, this value we have to calculate, right? So, this is nothing but I can write 22.5, right? Or this I can write like this also 45 degree divided by 2. Yes or no? So, I will be thinking 10 or cos, which one it is? Cos. 10 it is. 10 to, so we have like this 10 theta by 2 I want, correct? Which value you have? You have 10 theta. How much is 10 theta? So, 10 of 45 degree you have, 10 of 45, how much it is? 1. 10 theta you know, theta by 2 you have to calculate. So, what is 10 2 theta value? Tell me, 2 theta is 2 10 theta divided by 1 minus 10 square theta. If 2 theta is there theta, but I have theta here. So, 10 theta, here what you will be writing? 2 10 theta by 2 divided by 1 minus 10 square theta by 2. Am I right? What is theta? 45, right? 1. So, this value is nothing but 1. Calculate. So, 2 10 theta by 2 upon 1 minus 10 square theta by 2 is equal to 1. Now, it is a quadratic equation. Solve that. Take all these things that side, make a quadratic equation, solve. You will get that. Try. It's not no this question only mistake. Pi square and add. I won't get because sin cos x minus. They are asking this. Ten x plus 10y. Did you get the answer? From the option also you can substitute, right? All the options are there, one by one you can substitute also. That is also there. Which one? Third one. Should I solve? It will form a quadratic equation. Just see how to solve. I will cross multiply. If I will cross multiply, what I will get? So I will solve in the next slide then. Here I am solving. So what it will be? 1 minus tan square theta by 2 is equal to 2 tan theta, correct? Everything you should take one side. So can I write like this, tan square theta by 2 plus 2 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Let it be tan theta by 2 is nothing but x. So x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Product is x square minus x square, right? So x value will be minus b plus minus root d. Do you know that formula? Minus 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into minus 1 divided by 2a. How much it will be? Plus minus b square is 4 plus 4, 8 divided by 2, right? Yes or no? So this can be written as minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. So it will be minus 1 plus minus root 2, right? Two answer is there. Is there like this, minus 1 plus root 2 and minus 1 minus root 2? Same thing. So from here two answers are there. How to choose which one will be the answer? Just see, from here answer is, one is minus 1 plus root 2 and second one is minus 1 minus root 2, correct? This one will be the answer, not this one. Just see how. How much you are how much do you want? You want 45 degree by 2, right? Where will be this angle? In the first quadrant, right? In the first quadrant 10 should be positive, no? How it will be positive? Just see, both are negative, negative. So this is not possible. This is possible. Why? Root 2 is nothing but approximately 1.4, right? If you subtract, it will be 0.4. So positive value is this, no? This one will be the answer, not this one. I hope you are getting. Understood? Very important concept. You should know how to manage from one to other. One last topic is there that I will be solving, and then we will move to the next. Should I write next? Write down. So this formula you write. So these questions can be solved using that formula only. Here one formulas are there. Transformation, sum to product formula. Write it down. Sum to product formula. Transformation. Just see which are the formula. First I am writing sin alpha plus sin beta will be how much? So the formula is 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2. That is the meaning. Transformation from sum to product you can convert. Similarly, you have second one is cos alpha plus cos beta. What is the answer? 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2, right? Similarly, if minus here, no, here minus, here plus. If minus here, here minus, here plus, correct? So, all 4 formulas you should know. The question that we missed, this one, 15th one, is using this concept we can solve. Just see which formula is given to you. You have sin x plus sin y, right, is equal to 1 by 2. And here you have cos x plus cos y is equal to 1. Can I apply sum to product form? Because here alpha plus beta, that is what we need, x plus y we need, right. So, if I will multiply, which formula it will be? 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Can I write like this? From here what you can say, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 1. Yes or no? This is first equation, this is second equation. What we need? We need tan x plus y, correct? So, plus 1 I need. How I will get? This I should cancel. So, what I will do? First equation I will divide by the second equation. So, what will happen? This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Cos x minus y gets cancelled. So, sin by cos, how much it will be? Directly can I write tan x plus y by 2 is equal to this by this. How much it will be? 1 by 2. So, tan x plus y by 2 we got, not the tan x plus y. Are you getting what we got? What we need? We need x plus y. This by 2 we do not want, means tan theta by 2 you have. How much is tan theta by 2? 1 by 2. What you want? Tan theta you want. Which formula I should use? So, tan theta, the double angle, compound angle. Which formula it is? 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Yes or no? Theta by 2 value you have, substitute that, 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 the whole square. How much it will be? This 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 4 minus 1 divided by 4. So, 4 will go up, 3 will be down. Yes or no? Is there 4 by 3? Correct? Same kind of question is here also, 13th one. Just see, question number 13. That you have to apply sin x minus sin y, cos x minus cos y, right. So, many questions are there. This can be solved using that only. That method won't work here. Huh? I hope you are getting. So, whatever questions I assign, no, that you try to solve and write this self test, some homework question I am giving to you. Question number self test. Question number 3, 4, 5, 7, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 also, 11th one. This much you solve and come. Next class whenever we will be coming, so if sir comes, sir will be completing probability part. If I come, I will start one more chapter, let it be complex number, right? Okay, then we will meet in the next session. Bye bye, take care.